Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer the question, how to get rid of rabbits under your deck. Rabbits typically make their homes under your deck because they're looking for food, water, and shelter. And while they're cute to watch hop around, they do significant damage to plants and love your vegetable garden. The first step to making sure rabbits don't find their way under your deck is to make sure to make it as difficult and uncomfortable for them as possible. And first up is fencing. If you already have a fence, great, but make sure your fence is in good shape and there are no holes and gaps. Rabbits like to dig, so if you have a rabbit problem, you may want to line the fence with a 1/4 inch of hardware cloth going down around 6 inches or deeper. You may also want to use a 1/4 inch hardware cloth around the base of your deck. Dig down again about 6 inches deep. Before you place fencing, make sure there are no rabbits underneath. You don't want to fence them in. If you have to wait for them to leave, they're usually active during dusk and dawn. Natural predators are another great way to deter rabbits. The use of decoys such as a coyote or an owl. When using decoys, you may wish to move them around every once in a while so the rabbits don't catch on. You can also use predator urine. Make sure to reapply it after it rains. You can use one or combined suggestions for added protection. Scare devices or visual deterrents are another way to keep rabbits away. Rabbits don't like movement, especially when they don't know what it is. Therefore, a pinwheel works great. Its spinning motion is a great deterrent for rabbits. Plus, it is inexpensive and humane. You can also use items you might have around the house like pie tins or reflective tape. Hanging wind chimes works as well. While rabbits will love nibbling in your garden, they don't like bitter herbs like rosemary, sage, and lavender. Placing these strategically in your garden or yard will make them think twice about staying. There are a few other things you can do, such as keeping tall grass and weeds away from your deck so rabbits have nowhere to hide. Take away food sources like dog bowls and pick up fruits and vegetables that may have dropped. You can also use ultrasonic sound repellents. The rabbits won't like the sound, but you won't be able to hear them. They work well with rabbits, but will repel other animals as well, including your pets. If you have any other backyard questions, click the link below to some of our other videos or check out our website at backyarduniversity.org. We've supplied links to mentioned products, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.